What's up, Adventure Bike Nation? This is Ryan here. We're going to go through some of the ultralight gear that I'm bringing on the Adventurebike, the Africa Twin. We're going to load up the TourTech Cube, and I just want to go through some of the ultralight gear we're going to bring on this frigid, rainy adventure. So we have our fold-away table, we have a chainsaw, we have the tactical spork, blowing bellows for the fire, little insect repellent. We have the fire starters. And then we have the Refuge Medical first aid bag, the MSR, jet boil system, wind burner, whatever it is. We have a hammock, a teepee tent. This is not a hot tent yet, but we will definitely be investing in that soon. We have our sleeping pad, pillow, and chair, and then we will put the freeze-dried food and such that we have here. We'll be making up some concoctions and getting the freeze-dried food in the bag. So just a little overview of some of the things we bring, and then also, like sleeping bag, and we will be doing some modifications for cold weather, but you can definitely fit most of that into that TourTech and then strap the tent on the side or on the front. So you don't even need the panniers on a trip like this if you wear a lot of the clothing on your body.